Hey, how you doing? Did a little tint on the Grand Cherokee front windows. Not so much to tint it out, but to keep the UV down. Hopefully save my seats a little bit. There it is right there. Now I didn't show you how to tint because this is the first job I ever did. Tint job anyway. And I did pretty well. There's one or two little spots that I have to touch. But well, I don't know about touching them, but can we get back a little bit? I did the front, so I wasn't trying to match the back, just trying to get a little darker and a little UV protection. I don't think it looks bad for 18 bucks. Got the pre-cut kit. And here's the old girl here. Now she still runs. See, I got the jet ski hooked to her. But the one we're looking at today is this one. Hey, I have a Grand Cherokee WK2 that I'm going to be doing tinting on the front windows. This is a 3M pre-cut tint. Just showing you what it looks like. You can see I've already trimmed the outside, so I don't have too much of the liner still on it at all. You can still see a little bit around the edges. It's just what I learned from doing the first one. Now, this is the first car that I've tinted besides old van windows that I really didn't care about. But it's not going too bad. I did the passenger side and I'm getting ready to do the driver's side. I'm not going to show you the techniques that I use because, like I said, this is the first time I'm doing it to try to get a decent result. So we'll go from there.